Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Students, open your English textbook, Broadway, Class 1, Lecture number 1, An Action Poem. Okay? Mention the date on the top of the page, 22 March 21. Okay, now an action poem. Read the poem and learn to sing it. Do the action as you sing. Pet the red pot, spin the blue top, take a little step, bow to me. Hold the black cat, pet the white dog, take a little step, bow to him. Catch a butterfly, chase a rainbow, take a little step, bow to her. Clap your little hand, smile a happy smile, take a big step, bow to us. Students, you have to read again. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.